Hey guys, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Just a quick check-in here on SYPR, SYPR. This is an extraordinary event here that it was to be expected. So long consolidation on SYPR, SYPR, measuring and control equipment. And this is something I've been watching for a few days on the blue mark. We caught it as, oh, this could be interesting. And it came all the way down. And after 3 days of down, I got in here. There was another down day, almost impossible to, time the market to absolute perfection. And I put my stop loss in here. I got in at 325, so I call that like 10%, 30 cents. So I put my stop loss in at 290, I thought it was, but I think I did it at 293. It came down and it clipped my stop loss, so just by a few cents. So I was a bit spewing about that. And then lo and behold, I think I got stopped out here on this day, maybe it was here. They both came right down to the 292. And lo and behold, I was going to go in last night and I was a little bit wary of, is this revenge trading? Because I really believe in this was going to make a comeback. And what do you know? It's up 16% overnight. It was a way up about an hour ago. It was a way up here at 25%, and it's come down a little in after hours. But it just goes to show you, margins can be fine in this trading business, and it was a way down here at one point, so you could have gotten in. I don't watch the market live, but you could have gotten in here and made a quick Thursday cover. I can get into it. It's up to extent. I'm still looking forward to getting into this trade. Okay, peace and love. Keep waiting for breakout. See you soon. Bye.